Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to do wavy hair tutorial. And you're just going to need the heat protection spray. It's a medium hold, a clip, and this guy right here. This one is the biggest that they have. And let me show you. I bought it at Target. I think this brand is Revlon. I think it cost me like $25. This is the hair that I always use because it takes me the less time to do it because it takes a lot of hair. So it's really fast because it's taking a lot of hair. So I already did this in my hair. Now I'm going to start, like always, is middle, a little bit above the ear. And let's clip it. And then this, I just cut it in half. And then I actually can grab, let me take off this, the whole hair, and then I open it, and it goes that way. The more near that you can, you hold it, like what, 8 seconds, and then when you open and you go to the next one, try to find the next wave that you were in this side, the next one. Let me see if I can show you better this time. You go to the next one that is already done, so you can like follow the curve. And you hold it. And then again. Here it is. Let me do this one. I love this one because he always asks me how you do this, and I wanted to do a video so you can do it at home. It's so easy, it's really fast, I love it. I don't have, my hair is so thin, at least I can get a little bit of volume with this. Then you go to the next one, next curve, hold it, another curve, here it is, and then let's grab another part of the hair. Let me put this one together, and then let's do this time this half first, and then I leave this one later for later. So let me just grab this. Let me grab a tiny little bit of this because it will be on the top of the hair, and I like it to be by itself. I want to do it by itself. Here it is. See, I grab a little bit too much hair, so let me just cut in this little piece over there. Let me just do it again. And here it is. Hold it. And another one. Follow the curve that you're doing with this. Another one. This. Okay. Let me do this one that I left by itself because it was too much hair. It was going outside of these. So So I just have this one, and then I have my flat iron, and that's it. That's all I have. Let me pull down that. Let me see where. So I want it to the side. And this little part. Now. Here it is. These two. Here it is. The same thing. I'm just going to try to grab a little tiny part that is going to be on the top. Here is a lot of hair, so I think I'm going to cut it into. I'm going to do this one first. You hold it. Then you go the next curve. Next one. There it is. Now this part. Hold it. Find the next curve. There it is. And the last part. This one I want to be careful because it's the one that it will be on the top. So I want it to be really, try to put this really near of the root. Find the next wave. And then here it is. And then so you can see it like more natural, maybe. Just do this. And then you put a spray. So it will be a more hold, and I hope you like it. This is so easy. It was what, like 10 minutes, 8 minutes, I don't know, but it takes me really, it's super fast and I love it. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe, put your comments, what other videos you want to see, so just let me know, and thanks for watching. Bye.